In the realm of technological advancement, traditional computing systems are the towering giants, with their circuits and codes forming the backbone of our digital world. However, as we push the frontiers of possibility, these giants face considerable challenges. The complex problem solving that mimics the human mind's intricate workings remains just out of reach. From weather forecasts to language translations, the demands on conventional computing have outgrown its capabilities, signaling a shift towards more advanced computational models. Neural networks enter as a promising solution, promising to overcome these limitations by mimicking the human brain's structure and functions. This transformative approach paves the way for a new era in problem solving. Join us as we delve into the compelling synergy between artificial intelligence and neural networks, revealing a new frontier in technology. Leaving behind the constraints of traditional computing, our journey delves deeper into the intricate realm of neural networks. These algorithms, inspired by the complexity and adaptability of the human brain, represent a new dawn in machine learning and decision-making. Neural networks, mirroring our brain's interconnected neurons, introduce a fascinating parallel with biological intelligence. They operate through layers of algorithms, each designed for specific tasks, learning from vast data and refining their performance over time through a process known as training. This learning mechanism, reflecting human adaptability, marks a groundbreaking step towards blurring the lines between human and machine intelligence. As we explore further, we uncover the potent impact of neural networks across various sectors, setting the stage for a revolution in how technology is applied to solve global challenges. Stay tuned for this unfolding saga. In our exploration's final chapter, we witness the boundless potential of neural networks transforming industries. Their role ranges from diagnosing diseases with unprecedented precision to enabling the split-second decision-making required for autonomous vehicles, heralding a technological renaissance. In healthcare, neural networks facilitate groundbreaking advancements in early disease detection and treatment personalization. On the roads, they grant self-driving cars the ability to navigate complex traffic scenarios safely. Beyond, in customer service and security, these networks personalize interactions and fortify safety by analyzing and interpreting massive datasets, setting new industry benchmarks. As we stand on the threshold of this AI-driven era, the promise of neural networks to enhance industries and improve lives is immense. This journey not only champions technological innovation, but also celebrates the untapped potential of combining human creativity with computational power, steering us towards a future enriched by artificial intelligence.